for Nanny, this video. Go ahead, show Nanny how you take care of your cousin. Go ahead. Tell Nanny I'm taking Sam for a walk.
Don't walk angry.
Sam's
looking right at the camera.
You're going to hold his hand too? Okay. I got so nervous with the leg is coming up. Okay, all right. I think.
Turn him around.
His feet are on the floor. Look. Do you want
He's
to
getting
sit
a little
on your
heavy
lap?
for you, Joel.
Because he's really heavy now. Okay. Hang on, hold him up. Whoa! Wow! Gonna give a kiss? Oh! That was so nice. Hi guys. That was so nice.
Hannah, look at us.
We were pushing.
We put Sam in the stroller. We were pushing him.
Oh.
Oh.
Are you all done? She's like, oh no. Who, baby Sam? Can we move this out of there? So he's got a little more room for his tush.
Oh, I can't even sit on there.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, not the fist. Good job. Keep turning. He's loving this. Okay, now turn around.
I knew you liked
Turn
sitting in
around and
pink
go to the
strollers.
All done? Do you want me to take him out? What?
Well, you can't leave him there. You got to push him back into the. Push him back.
What? Get him out? Please. Now what? He survived. In a dolly stroller.
It's alright. It's alright. You're on the carpet.
Okay, you want to put Sam in his bathing suit? Joel?